How to log out of your account on Adidas Training. First, you want to go to your Chrome browser, and on the search bar you want to simply type in Adidas Training. After that, you want to scroll down and you want to simply tap on the official Adidas website. Here, if you are not logged in, you want to simply tap on this profile icon to log in into your account. However, if you are logged in as well, you want to simply tap on this same user icon. Tap on my orders over here. After that, you want to scroll down a little bit, and here you'll be able to see an option called my account. Simply tap on my account. And you'll be able to see an log out option as well. You want to simply tap on log out. And by doing so, you have successfully logged out of your account on Adidas Training. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.